It's your ugly lawn. Your ugly lawn is horrible. Your significant other has been telling you about this. The tracking in the mud, always having to mop the floors. The dogs bringing in the mud, they come in, you take them to the pet salon, and next thing you know, your significant other has let that pet back in the house all muddy. That's a shame. Or your family comes over and your annoying sister says, look at your lawn, it's embarrassing. That's not right. Or your friends, your buddies come over and they just kind of look at you like with shame. So let's stop this. Let's make this right. And if you care, call now. These lawns are waiting for you. They're just dying. They're just starving. So call now. 214-702-1902 or go to our website at onpointdfw.com, onpointdfw.com. If you care about your lawn, if you care about your family, if you care about the earth, give us a call. And thank you so much for supporting this episode.